What's up, everybody? This is Kevin Anderson with Obsidian Group. This is the first episode of Twin Cities Tours. I'll be taking you through some of my favorite buildings and office spaces that downtown Minneapolis has to offer. First up, we're at the Nordic. This is a new development in the North Loop and home to WeWork. Let's check it out. We're on the 6th floor right now. This is the main lobby of WeWork. A lot of touchdown spaces and some of my favorite kombucha on tap. All right, let's go check out the 7th floor. So WeWork's a pretty awesome concept. Me as a broker helping companies move into space. This allows a lot more flexibility for a lot of companies that are growing quickly, like tech companies that aren't quite ready for a full space, a direct deal. Again, it offers very flexible lease terms, so month to month, year lease is usually the longest that you're going to get in WeWork. And they've also started to do a lot more direct deals, a little bit larger office spaces, some built-in conference rooms and private offices. And it's just a good solution for those businesses who are starting up, quickly growing, and I guess anyone in between. So they've been good to us, and we look forward to continuing working with these guys. We're here on the 7th floor. This is the common area on this floor. As you can see, there's some soft seating. And here we got the game room. Chess floor. I've never lost in chess. Never won either. We got some pool. All right, let's go meet up with one of my clients and friends that's in WeWork right now, Colin with North Labs. Let's see if he's around. There he is. Colin, what's up, man?
How are ya?
We got Colin Graves here, founder of North Labs. Colin is a friend, a client, and a fellow Falcon. How long have you been in the space, Colin?
This space is about 6 months, but we've been with WeWork for close to a year, I guess.
Tell us a little bit about North.
Yeah, so North Labs is a dedicated Amazon Web Services consulting partner.
AWS.
Yeah, we're helping companies plan, implement, and then manage their moves to AWS, usually from their data centers.
How has WeWork helped with your growth? I know you guys are crushing it.
Yeah, for us it's been flexibility, right? So being able to stand up a new office in pretty much any region. It's important from a sales standpoint for customers as well as Amazon internally. And the global access package is something we use, so the folks who travel a lot in the business are able to use any WeWork and not, bring down our credits that we have for conference rooms.
Sure.
And pricing flexibility, honestly, is being able to expand into those cities and not opt into a 5 or 7 year lease at list price is really great.
Right.
WeWork is definitely able to work with pricing to help benefit both parties.
They've been great. So there you have it. It's flexibility, it's culture, it's cost for companies like Collins. And thanks for meeting us.
Yeah, absolutely.
Heading out to the outdoor area. City, and not too many people working here in December. All right, we're here in front of Team Genius's space, another client of mine that I helped with WeWork. I think they were initially one of the first people to move into Capella, and then as through their growth, they actually moved to North Loop, a little more accessible for some of their employees. So they're doing super well, and they can be here with us. They're volunteering, so kudos to them. But they have what you call a cluster setup. So their sales team's here, and then they have their developers for their software. That's right here across the hall. And it seems to be working really well for these guys. They've been, again, WeWork since day one, and it seemed to enjoy it a lot. All right, everyone, thanks for joining us. That was the first episode of Twin Cities Tours. Bring you back next week for a different building, and feel free to comment or shoot me a message if you want your space or building featured in the weeks ahead. Thanks.